This is for you, pork chop. First, the pack. It's an Osprey Asia 58. I took the brain off. This is the front. I'm carrying an InReach Explorer. The square thing is the first item that I know I don't need, but I am carrying anyway, and it is a solar charged lantern. I do have a headlamp. It is unnecessary weight. These are my good luck charms, my Appalachian Trail Women's Group patch, a special acorn, and a bird whittled by Rhonda Adams, the most wonderful shuttle driver and friend. Adding more weight to the Osprey Asia, which does not come with hip pockets, I got these 2 pockets from Mountain Laurel Designs. Some safety and comfort essentials on the right, anti-chafe gel, hand sanitizer, headlamp, little trail markers, and lip balm. Electrolytes on the left. This is also where I will put snacks that I will be eating throughout the day. I'm carrying the 6 Moon Design umbrella, and I got the clip for it from Gossamer Gear. The safety pin is for drying my laundry. I won't bore you with all my toiletries. An important thing to note is they weigh about 1.5 pounds. For bear protection, I will be carrying the Ursack Major XL. It is one of the older ones, so it is white instead of black. And I have a Nylafume bag that I'll be tying over top of it to protect it from rain. And this is my food in an op sack that slides into the Ursack. And I have packed 5 pounds, 4 ounces of food, which is a major improvement over my last shakedown. For my outer layers, I have the Enlightened Equipment wind jacket. No, wait. That's not right. I bought that through Mass Drop. Right. So that's a Mass Drop wind jacket. I have a Light Heart Gear rain jacket and an Enlightened Equipment Torrid Apex synthetic puffy. My cook set is the Toaks 1100 milliliter pot. Got the canister, the pop-up cup, cute little canister stove, real cheap. I think it's like $11 on Amazon. I can't remember the name. Emergency mini Bic in case the igniter fails me. A cloth to hold on to, and the homemade pot koozie. For power, I have the Anker 20,000 milliamp charger and a 4-port wall unit, various cords. Is it all heavy? Yes. I'll show you guys the tent when it's all set up, but it is the Big Agnes Copper Spur HV 2-person tent. I am carrying the Cedar Ridge Outdoors 50-degree down quilt. When I actually do my through hike, I will start with my Enlightened Equipment 20-degree down quilt. This time I'm carrying the Cedar Summit inflatable pillow. I waffle back and forth on pillows. I'm never quite satisfied. I'm carrying a Thermarest X-Therm. That's an insulated sleeping pad, which has been modified by my boyfriend Mike. I'll show you guys that when we're in camp so you have a better idea of what I mean. And I'm carrying the pump sack this time to help me blow it up. The only thing left in my pack are the clothes that I am carrying, but I'm going to wait and show those to you in another video where I also show you what I'm wearing and what I'm carrying in my pockets. So until then, ciao!